everyone. Sometimes it is very much confusing what must is all about. Must is having different variations, different forms are present when we are using must in our English. So today we are going to learn the usage of must and what are the different ways are there where must can be used by us when we are writing or when we are speaking. As you all know, modal verbs are also known as what? These modal verbs are also known as helping verbs. What is meant by helping verbs? Helping verbs are used with the help of main verb to get a good understanding about the meaning of a sentence or what you are speaking. That totally depends upon what a main verb followed by the helping verbs. So when you are having modal verbs, that modal verbs always try to explain about the main verb. So here must is also comes under what? Helping verb. So let us go through different usage of must is there. Let us go through first. So first of all, must is used as necessary. As you all know, must means what? Compulsory. Apart from that, must is also used as opinion. Must is also used as opinion. Must is used as a obligation. Must is used as obligation. And must is also used as a conclusion, or we can say logic. Together we call as logical conclusion. So these all four types of must and their usage it is there. One by one we will go through with examples here. So if you see first example what we are having here, you must complete your exam before the clock strikes 12. You must complete. So if you see, must means what I told you? Necessary. First one is what here? Necessary. Necessary means what? Compulsory. So here if you read out the sentence, you must complete your exam before the clock strikes 12. So that is a condition. Okay, so here what it is the condition here? Before the 12 o'clock strikes, you have to complete your exam. So it is necessary. Necessary means what? It is very much important. We should complete the exam in the given time. So must is used as what here? Necessary. Whenever we are doing any work and we are expecting the result or we are going through the expectation with the help of result, so that is the usage of must here as a necessary. Next one, if you see, you must visit the dentist. You must visit the dentist. I have seen my sister and my sister is having toothache and the toothache is there from so many days, and as the days are passing off, that pain was increasing day by day. So at last I suggested and I told my sister directly that you must visit the dentist. So here this must indicates what? Necessary. Second is example is also telling about what? Necessary here, compulsory. Okay. And next if you see, you must not eat in class. You must not eat in class. If you see, not is added. Not if it is added means what here? It is a negative. Okay, so what is the negative here? First of all, the sentence is explaining about the rules of the school. And what is that rule here? You should not eat. Okay, so you must not eat in class. Okay, that is a condition kept there. So here it became negative. Eating is going on, by adding not it became negative. So you must not eat in class. According to the school rule, you have to eat outside wherever the place was provided to you, but not in a class. So next one, if you see, this food must not be eaten, it has spoiled. If you see here also, must not it is there. Must not means we hear what you are understanding with the help of must not. Must not means stop. We are avoiding. We are not making them to do. So that is the meaning for must not here. If you see in this example, the food was not able to eaten by them. What is the reason for not eating? It was spoiled. So that's why you are using negative word not to eat. Okay, so here must not means making sentence into the negative one, and here must means what? Necessary. Very much important. If it is there, that is must, that we called as necessary, whereas must not means negative sentence. Next, fifth example, if you see, I must say this food is delicious. I must say this food is delicious. So if you see in the fifth example, I am saying, what I am saying here, this food is delicious. I kept exclamatory mark. So here if you see, this fifth example comes under what? Opinion. And I am having opinion beyond my expectations. Suppose I went to a restaurant and I never expected that the food in that restaurant will be very much good, very much delicious, very much tasty. But suddenly after eating that food, I felt myself very much happy by eating that good delicious food. So here I made a sentence. What is that here? I must say this food is delicious. So I am eating again with my friends in that same restaurant, and I am saying to all my friends that the food is very delicious. So delicious means what here? Not expected that food will be very much tasty, but suddenly it was happened. So here whenever we are using must say, so that indicates what here? Beyond your expectations. Beyond your expectations, if it is happened, we can use must say. Okay, so next one we will go through. I must admit I did not like him much when I first met him. So here must admit it is there. So in this example, what it is trying to explain for us here? Surprise. Whenever we are having must admit, that indicates what here? Surprise to you. Okay, first of all, when you have gone through that person, you never expected that that person will become that much closer to you, but suddenly it was happened, so it was a surprise to you. So whenever we are going through surprise, we will use the word must admit. So must admit is used for what? Surprise. And whereas must say is used for what? Beyond your expectations. If it is happened, we will use a must say. If you see one more example here, I must admit it was a frightening experience. Frightening experience means what? Must admit I used again. So it is also surprise. Never thought that it will become very much frightening to you. So that's why here must admit is used. So must admit is used as what here? Surprise. Whereas must say is used for what? Beyond your expectations. Whereas must generally used in the sentence what here? Necessary. If it is an important, only must. If it is used with the help of V1, we will call as what here? Necessary. Very much important. You have to attempt, you have to do. Okay, that is the usage of first necessary followed by the opinion. In opinion, we are having two types. That is, first one is what here? Beyond your expectations. If it is there, we will go through must say. And if you are having surprise things, must admit. So that is about obligations here. And what is meant by obligation, we will see with the examples which are given here. So if you see first one, we are having everyone must pay taxes. Everyone must pay taxes we are having. If you see must pay means what here? It is a responsibility of everyone. It is a responsibility of everyone. So here what is meant by obligation here? In that we can say you are giving idea to someone, or else we can say it is a recommendation, or else you can say we can add as a responsible work done by you. So here I can use one more example here. Everyone must subscribe to our channel. Everyone must subscribe to our channel. So if I say like that, it will become what here? A strong recommendation. So here in obligations, we can go through with the help of strong recommendations, or you can give as an idea to others, as you can say some of your opinions, like responsibilities, you are making them to understand the situation. Like that also we can say with the help of third one, that is obligations here. I can also say with one more example, you must watch all my videos in our YouTube channel. So in this sense, what is happening here? I am not making a strong recommendation, but I am just recommending you. I am not making any kind of strong recommendation, but I am just saying that it is recommended to watch, which is useful to you. So that's why here obligation means what here? obligation comes across, either it may be strong recommendation, or you are recommending others, or idea to someone, or else responsibilities you are making them to realize. If it is there, we call it as obligations. So if you see here, it is an obligation of responsibility. And next one, if you go through, we must go and see the film. I have heard it's excellent. So here, what is this must is saying all about here? A strong recommendation which was gathered by a person. Okay, and what is that strong recommendation here? The film was excellent. The film was excellent, and now what happened here? That person with the along with one more person, he is very much interested to watch that film. So here it is a strong recommendation. Okay, this example must go is nothing but here it is explaining about a strong recommendation to watch the film. And next, third one, you must come and visit us while you are in Hyderabad. If you see in this example, we are having must come. But here, what is the sentence is overall speaking about? It is speaking about what here? Visiting of the people. And what is the expectations of the members here? Whenever you are present in the Hyderabad, compulsory you should come to my house. Okay, so if you see, this is not a strong recommendation here. It is a kind of idea given by someone. Okay, whenever you are present in Hyderabad, you can come. Okay, you can visit. So here it was an idea given towards the person. Okay, it is an obligation only, but in that it is a idea given by a person. Okay, and next one, if you see, you must be so tired after running that marathon. And if you see, must be, it is there. And here I am speaking about what here? Past. So here, fourth one is what here? Logical conclusion. And what is meant by logical conclusion here? What is meant by logic here may be right or may be wrong. We can't say 100% he is wrong. We can't say 100% he is right. So that is meant by logical here. If you see in this example also, you must be so tired after running that marathon. So here I am just imagining myself and I am expecting that race was completed, and by seeing I made a guess, and I am saying directly that you are feeling very tired. I am feeling and saying directly that you are feeling very tired. So here it is what? Logic. It is a logical conclusion made by me after seeing that person. So this is about usage of must. And next, my bicycle has disappeared. Someone must have stolen it. So if you see in this also, my bicycle which is used to be present, suddenly it was disappeared, and with that I made one guess, and in that guess, the guess is all about what here? Suddenly it was disappeared, and with that sudden disappearance, what I am saying now, someone had stolen my bicycle. So that stolen is nothing but here it is a guess made by me. Suddenly if it is not present in front of your eyes, then you can say what? It was stolen. So similarly here, it is also comes under what here? Logical. Okay, logical conclusion we called. So here, my bicycle has disappeared, someone must have stolen it, comes under a logical conclusion. And next one, if you see, Rakesh had arrived late. He must have been in a traffic jam. So now what happened here? Mother expectation is there. Son went outside, and regularly he is having one time, he will be present at home. But suddenly on that day, he was very much late. And what is the expectation of the mother here? Mother is thinking that he got stuck in the traffic. That's why he is very much late today. So that is the reply given by the mother. So if you see here also, it was not asked directly towards the whom? Rakesh. It was just a logical conclusion given by the mother. So here also we can say it is a logical conclusion of the given sentences. So this is all about usage of must in 4 different ways we have gone through. First one is what? Necessary. And second one we are having opinion. And third one obligation, and these all, if you see here, up to here we have gone through, up to third one we have gone through with the help of obligations like recommendation, responsibilities, that all. And next, fourth one is what? Logical conclusion. And logical conclusion means what here? Not true, not false, but overall together you are having one idea about the situation and you are delivering your words. If it is there, we call it as logical conclusion. So this is all about must and usage of the must, and I hope everybody understood our topic.